Hello students, welcome back to TMI's home-based education. Today we are going to continue with exercise 2 only. In the last video we had completed till question number 1 of exercise 2. Now today we are going to continue from question number 2. There it is given in the form of a word problem. It is given the first question number 2 means a rectangular field is 725 meter long and 300 meter broad. Find its perimeter in kilometer. Measurement दिया है, length, long means length and broad means breadth. Okay, every time नहीं दिया होगा कि length है breadth है करके, sometimes long है, length word will be used, then large will be there, breadth के लिए broad है, wide है, breadth word can be used. So don't get confused in that. Long means length and broad means breadth. So as it is given of a rectangular field, एक rectangular field है जिसकी length और breadth दे दिए कितनी 725 मीटर long है and 300 मीटर broad. Find out क्या करना है? Its perimeter. वो भी किसमें किलोमीटर में, but the measurement is given in meter and we have to get the perimeter in kilometer. So what we'll do? First we'll find out the answer in meter and then we'll change it into kilometer. So first whatever is being given that we will write down. The length of rectangular field that is equal to 725 meter. Then breadth of rectangular field that is equal to 300 meter. This is what is given in the question. Now we have to find out the perimeter. So therefore perimeter of rectangular field. So the formula will use same of perimeter of rectangle only, that will be 2 into L plus B. So 2 length is how much? 725 plus 300, that comes to 2 into, when we will add it, 700 plus 300 is 1000, so it will come 1025. 1025 2s are, when you will do it, so 1000 into 2 is 2000, or 25 2s are, it is 50, so it will come as 2050 meter. This will be the answer which we are getting as the perimeter of rectangular field. Sorry. So now in the question they are asking, they want the perimeter in kilometer, but we got the answer in meter, so we'll change it into kilometer. That as we are knowing what, that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, but we are having meter, we have to convert it into kilometer. So what we will do, that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, but हमें लिखना है 2050 kilometer will be how much? So what we will do, that 1 meter is equal to what, 1 upon 1000 kilometer हो जाएगा. This 1000 we brought into division, तब हमारे पास कितना है 2050 meter is equal to 2050, we will divide it by 1000. So our answer will come after, sorry, 3 zeros are there, so after point we should be having 3 zeros, no need to cancel the 0 zeros, leave it. So it will come how much? 2.050. So we can write that as kilometer, or if you want you can write 2 kilometer and 50 meter. That is also correct answer. That 2 kilometer and 50 meter is your answer. So whatever was being given that we had already found, उसके बाद उसको किलोमीटर में चेंज करना था, so we had done it. Now question number 3, again it is of same type. There it is given in the form of a square. वहाँ पे square दिया है. The side of square field is 300 meter. Find its perimeter in kilometer. तो यहाँ पे rectangle था. In second one it is square. So in square what we are having, the side of square field बोला है. So we will write the same thing. Side of square field is equal to 300 meter. It is given. Now we have to find out what perimeter. So perimeter of square field. So perimeter of square field, what formula will use? Perimeter of square, that will be 4 into side. So that comes to 4 into 300, that is equal to 4 3s are 1200 meter. Now we got the answer in meter, we have to change it into kilometer. The same process what we have done here. This only we will put it directly, that 1 meter is equal to 1/1000 kilometer. So we are having how many? 1200 meter. So 1200 upon 1000. So us 3 zeros are being there. So after point there should be 3 digits. So it will come as 1.200 kilometer. And if we want to write, so 1 kilometer and 200 meter is our answer. So whatever is being given, first we have to write down in the form of a word statement, and then we have to solve and find out that how the answer will come. So that was your first and second one. Now question number 4, it is given a square field has a side of 525 meter. I ran 2 times round it. How much distance do I travel? अब स्क्वायर फील्ड एक है, उसको 2 चक्कर मारना है. सो वो कितना डिस्टेंस कवर होता है, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. नाउ व्हेनेवर वी आर फाइंडिंग आउट द पेरीमीटर, जब हम पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करते हैं मतलब वो एक राउंड हो गया. बट हियर दैट पर्सन इज गोइंग 2 टाइम्स, 2 राउंड मार रहा है. So what we have to do? First we have to find out the perimeter. पहले एक बार में कितना कवर करता है, that we have to find out. Then वापिस 2 राउंड लगा रहा है, 2 times it is going. So जब हम 1 time find out करते हैं, that is the perimeter. What we are finding out 1 time. ये 1 time हो गया. For example अगर it is a square field, same way ये एक square field है, which is of 300 meter. अब उसको वो चक्कर लगा रहा है. So if he starts from here, again जब यहाँ पे आएगा तब उसका 1 राउंड खत्म होगा. Again for second round he has to go again round the square field. Means 2 बार जाना पड़ेगा. So 1 time what we are finding, that is called the perimeter. Perimeter हम find out करते हैं, means 1 राउंड का हो गया. Now 2 rounds means whatever the answer will get in perimeter, just उसको 2 से multiply करो, so you will get the answer of 2 rounds. Then so what we will write is question number 4, that side of square field is equal to 525 meter. This is the side of the square field. Now what we will find out? We will find out perimeter of square field. The formula we have to use, that will be 4 into side, so that will come to 4 into 525. This is just what we will find. ये जो हम find out करेंगे वो 1 राउंड का ही होगा. Okay, so 5 4s are 20, 2 4 2s are 8 plus 2 is 10, 1 5 4s are 20 plus 1 is 20, 100 मीटर. जब वो एक चक्कर लगाएगा तो वो 2100 मीटर कवर कर लेगा. बट as it is given in the question, I ran 2 times round it. उसके राउंड कितनी बार गया? 2 बार. How much distance do I travel? That we have to find out. So therefore what we will do? distance covered in 2 rounds. So this is just for 1 round. We have to find out for 2 rounds. So it will be multiplied by 2. So 0 0 as it is. 2 1s is 2 and 2 2s is 4. So the answer comes 4200 meter is the total distance he will cover when he will go around the square field 2 times. एक टाइम में कितना हो रहा है 2100 मीटर. सो 2 टर्म्स के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? we have to just multiply 2100 into 2. So the answer will come 4200 meter. Now question number 5. A field has length 350 meter and breadth 300 meter. Find the length of wire needed to fence around it. Now students be very careful. हर एक बार हर एक क्वेश्चन में क्लियर एंड कट नहीं बोला होगा कि पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है, पेरीमीटर फाइंड आउट करना है, ऐसा नहीं बोला होगा. लाइक फोर्थ वन उसमें क्या बोला था? A square field has a side 425 meter. It ran round it. Round it मतलब उसके चारों साइड घुमा है. तो फिर हमें समझ जाना कि चारों साइड घुमा है मतलब क्या होगा? पेरीमीटर ही होगा. और फिर बोला है कि टोटल डिस्टेंस उसने कितना कवर किया. नाउ हियर व्हाट इट इज गिवन, इट इज अ रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड. फील्ड बोला है, लेंथ और ब्रेथ भी दिया है, मतलब वो रेक्टेंगल शेप में ये. सो लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ इज गिवन. अब उसको फेंसिंग लगाना है. फेंसिंग मींस यू हैव गॉन थ्रू, जिसकी भी फील्ड होती है जहां पे वो एग्रीकल्चरल वर्क करते हैं या तो उन्होंने खरीदी होती है, तो दे यूज्ड टू फेंस इट विद वायर्स. वायर से जो फेंस लगाते हैं ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड फेंसिंग विद वायर. कोई लोग दीवार बना लेते हैं कि दिस इज माय प्लॉट और दिस इज माय लैंड, सो जस्ट एक बाउंड्री टाइप बना देते हैं. और सम ऑफ देम आर डूइंग दैट फेंसिंग. फेंसिंग मींस बीच में खंभे लगा के दे आर कवरिंग इट विद वायर, मींस उसके अंदर कोई ना जा सके या पता चले दिस इज आवर फील्ड. सो वो वायर लगाने के लिए, तो वर्ड जब फेंस होगा, फेंस अराउंड इट. फेंस हमेशा कहां पे लगेगा? जो भी हमारी चीज होगी उसके हम चारों साइड लगाएंगे, बीच में नहीं लगाएंगे. सो इट विल बी ऑलवेज अ पेरीमीटर, क्योंकि बाउंड्री पे ही लगेगा. तो वो वायर कितना चाहिए होगा, दैट वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो व्हेनेवर इन द क्वेश्चन राउंड इट बोला है या फेंसिंग बोला है, वर्ड यूज किया है, इट मींस यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट पेरीमीटर. ओके, डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज ओवर देयर. As I told you, everything will not be given directly in all the questions. सिर्फ length breadth will be given, rest it will be given in this form कि कितना वायर चाहिए फेंसिंग करने के लिए या कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया होगा, like that it will be given. So by that you have to understand that whether you have to find out perimeter or not. So let us begin question number 5. So what is given? Length of field is given. The length of field is given, that is 350 meter. Then breadth of field, that is given as 300 meter. And now what we have to find out? Perimeter. Therefore perimeter of field is equal to 2 into length plus breadth. So that will be equal to 2 into 350 plus 300. So that will come to 2 into 3 plus 3, 650, and 652s will come as 1300 meter. So ये वो फील्ड की पूरी पेरीमीटर हो गई, मींस पूरा चक्कर लगाओगे वो रेक्टेंगुलर फील्ड को. सो यू विल बी कवरिंग हाउ मच? 1300 मीटर. अब यहाँ पे क्या बोला है? दैट फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ वायर नीडेड टू फेंस अराउंड इट. उसके चारों साइड वायर लगाने के लिए कितना चाहिए, कितने राउंड वायर के चाहिए वो नहीं बोला है, खाली कितना वायर चाहिए वो ही बोला है. सो हाउ मच वायर विल बी रिक्वायर्ड? 1300 meters. So therefore we will write down the wire required for fencing will be 1300 meter. Then very simple, just fence दिया है तो सर क्या करना है? No need to worry about it. Fencing word याद रखना है. It means you have to find out the perimeter. क्योंकि fencing हम always boundaries पे लगाते हैं. So this was your question number 5. इसमें और भी ऐड हो सकता है कि अगर दो राउंड लगाना है अगर वायर का फेंसिंग, तो कितना वायर चाहिए होगा? तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? एक राउंड का होगा. This will be just for one round. अगर दो राउंड का पूछा है तो this will be multiplied by 2. अगर 3 rounds of wire पूछा है तो multiplied by 3. If 5 rounds of wire पूछा है तो perimeter निकाल के into 5, that will be the total wire needed for that many rounds of wire. So I hope so. Now there is no difficulty in this. Now question number 6, which is remaining, that you have to do it by yourself. I am explaining it. A square courtyard is 8 meter in length. Square बोला है, courtyard है is 8 meter length. Square courtyard means आगे का जो part होता है that. Okay, करके. So find the length of wire required to fence around it. उसके चारों साइड अगर फेंसिंग लगानी है तो कितना वायर चाहिए? Now as it is given clearly, it is a square courtyard. तो स्क्वायर कोर्टयार्ड और लेंथ दिया है तो फिर ऐसे नहीं सोचना सर इसमें तो ब्रेथ नहीं दिया है तो कैसे फाइंड आउट करें? स्क्वायर ऑल द साइड्स आर इक्वल, उसकी लेंथ ब्रेथ सब इक्वल ही होती है. जस्ट टू कंफ्यूज यू दैट यूज द वर्ड लेंथ. ठीक है, वो कंफ्यूज करने के लिए जस्ट दिया है वर्ड लेंथ इज बीइंग यूज्ड. स्क्वायर की साइड्स ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल, सो उसकी लेंथ हो ब्रेथ हो कुछ भी दिया हो इट विल बी ऑलवेज सेम, इसलिए एक ही दिया होगा. सो दैट इज गिवन. सो व्हाट यू विल राइट डाउन? साइड ऑफ स्क्वायर कोर्टयार्ड, therefore perimeter of square courtyard you find out 4 into side करके whatever the answer you are getting, that much wire will be required for fencing the square courtyard like this. यहाँ पर rectangle था, 6th one में square है, so the formula will change into 4 into side. That's it. So that thing you can do it by yourself. In the next video we'll begin with area. So till then, thank you and